In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal board in Monday.com. A personal board is a great place to organize your work, plan projects, and keep things private until you're ready to share. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can set one up quickly and confidently. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so your board ends up exactly where you want it. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and find the plus icon. This is your shortcut to creating new items. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. From the menu, choose board. This tells Monday.com that you want a full board rather than, say, a dock or a workspace. Next, select new board. This starts a fresh board, so you're in full control of the name, privacy, and structure. You'll now see a prompt to name your board. Type personal project. Clear names make it easier to find your board later and help you stay focused on its purpose. Right below the name, set the privacy to private. A private board is visible only to you and anyone you specifically invite, which makes it perfect for personal planning, sensitive work, or drafts you're not ready to share. You'll also see an option to select a board type or template. Choose project. This gives you a helpful starting structure designed for tracking tasks, timelines, and progress without having to build everything from scratch. When everything looks good, click Create Board. Monday.com will spin up your new private project space in just a moment, and you'll land on the board, ready to start customizing. Now it's time to make it yours. Adjust the group names to match your workflow, such as planning, in progress, and done. Rename or rearrange columns so they track what matters to you, like status, owner, due date, and priority. If you need a specific data point, add a new column type, numbers for estimates, dates for deadlines, or text for notes. Create a few sample items to test the flow, and color code statuses to make progress easy to scan at a glance. If you prefer a different perspective, try switching the view to Kanban or a timeline for scheduling. Keep things private while you fine-tune, and when you're comfortable, you can optionally invite collaborators directly to the board. That's it, you've created a personal board in Monday.com and tailored it to your needs. Save your changes, revisit it daily, and let it guide your work with clarity and focus.